guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video for y'all. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for some more new videos, and if not, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing something that's a little bit different. It's going to be pertaining to my college life. So today was my first day of spring semester at University of South Florida as a senior. I graduate in the summer, so I have 2 more semesters, including this one. And I thought it would be I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along with me. A lot of the people that watch me are college students, and yeah, I mean, why not, you know? Let's get right into it. This is our breakfast today. Nice multi-grain wheat toast with some organic peanut butter, no salt. Breakfast of a champ. Yeah. So this is the OOTD. The bodysuit is from Shein. The pants are from ASOS. Fit really nicely, and I just wore them with these Birkenstock dupes and rolled up my jeans just a tad to make them into like some capris. And yeah, little first day outfit. Alright guys, so I am officially in the car about to leave for my first day of classes, and I'm feeling pretty sad. I'm not ready to go back yet. I feel like winter break flew and I'm just not ready, but it is what it is, you know? Gotta get the education, gotta do what we gotta do, get this degree, and yeah, so I will see you guys on campus, and yeah.
Well, I know that you're young, and I know you're naive, but you know that you got me sugar under your sleeve. But the way that you did me, and you're doing me still, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real? Now you
out here slightly struggling because I cannot find my car. Okay, so I finally found my car after walking around the parking lot for a good 5 minutes, which wasn't too bad, but first day was super good. All my classes are conveniently located right near each other. My first and my second classes are in the same room, so I don't even have to like move. And then my third class of the day is literally like one door down, one room down. So super convenient. It was a really good day. I really like my professors. I think it's gonna be a great semester. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. So I just got home. I ate some lunch. I had some fish sticks. For those of you who don't know, I'm a pescatarian. So I really only eat fish as my main source of protein. So I had some fish sticks. I'm about to unpack my bag here from school and go to the gym. I'm getting dressed right now, and yeah, so I'll see you guys at the gym. All right, so I just got out of the shower. I just got back from the gym. It is currently 3:50 p.m. So it's a little bit later in the afternoon. I am feeling great because I got my workout in, and you know, first day of classes were wonderful. So, yeah, I got a package in the mail and I ordered some new hangers for my closet. I'm trying to like clean out my closet a little bit and just kind of like organize everything so that everything is kind of uniform. Right now I have like a bunch of different hangers, like of all sorts and sizes and materials and just designs, and it just looks sloppy in my opinion. So I really would like to just make it look uniform. So I ordered like 50 of like the felt like black hangers off of Amazon, and I think it was like $20, which is such a good deal for like 50 hangers. Half of my closet is already these hangers, these particular hangers, so I figured just get the rest of my closet with the same hangers, you know, everything hung up looking uniform. And yeah, so that's my goal for now. I just want to get everything kind of organized, so I'm gonna do that real quick. And yeah, so for reference, these are the hangers that I'm talking about. So I just got like a bunch of these, and like half my closet is already hung up with these particular hangers, and then the other half are like these white hangers, and then I have some blue ones and some plastic ones, and it's just a mess. So we're gonna transition them over to these.
That you're young, and I know you're naive, but you know that you got me sugar under your sleeve. But the way that you did me, and you're doing me still, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real? Now you.
So I'm gonna show you guys like the finished product. It just looks so much more like neat, so much more like compact. Everything just fits way better and it just looks nicer. These are so much slimmer, so they just allow for like so much more room on the actual like bars. And yeah, like I love it. I actually have some left over. I decided to keep these around because they kind of separate the type of clothing that they hold. So I have those, and then I need to get some nicer like actual hanging like with clips because I have like no sleeves. So for now we're just gonna stick with like these store-bought ones, but I just feel so much better about all of this because there's just more space and it just looks more organized. Back here, I know I'm gonna get questions, so this is like what the back of my closet currently looks like. This is my mood board. I made this, I say like 2 years ago, and I just like looking at it every single day. I didn't really want to put it out anywhere where I don't know, like it would mess up the aesthetic of my apartment, but I wanted to find somewhere that I could put it and look at every single day. So this is kind of the best spot. But yeah, I'm not really going to go into detail about everything, but this is currently what it looks like. And underneath of it, I have this dream catcher. All right, so right now, I am on Canvas. If you guys are not familiar what Canvas is, it's basically the platform that University of South Florida uses for all of their assignments. So all the assignments get posted here, and this is also where I turn in all of my assignments. Everything's through Canvas, which is really, really nice. Those of you who are not familiar with Canvas, it's similar to like Blackboard kind of, but I prefer Canvas, honestly. I've had a little bit of experience with both, but I like Canvas. I think Canvas is cool. So I'm currently on Canvas right now, just kind of mapping out when things are due, making a to-do list for myself to make sure that I get some things done that I can get done. I'm trying to get ahead on some assignments, just trying to like really organize myself and set myself up for success this semester. And yeah. I just want to thank you guys so much for continuing to watch my videos and like my videos and comment on my videos and subscribe. I have literally gotten so many subscribers, little or big. Like, improvement is improvement and input is input, and I just can't thank you guys enough, because this is something that I really like to do for myself. I'm not really out here looking for a check or, you know, ultimate success on YouTube. This is just something that I really find fun to do. This is my hobby. So the fact that I have people that are out there supporting me means so much to me. So I can't thank you guys enough. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, you know, the whole shabam. And I will see you guys in my next one.
Know that you're young, and I know you're naive, but you